Good morning, Mark. Terry here with Edwards Garage, and I'm going to show you the 2020 Keystone Carbon. So a quick video just on the outside as you requested. So storage compartments in the front. You got your two switches there for your power jacks. Storage compartment for your batteries. Another spot to get at your hydraulics. Frameless windows on the outside. Does have the awning, outside lights. Marine grade steps, speakers on the outside. Tires are a 16-inch tire. Rear access door to get to your garage compartment. And moving along the back side, you do have your door. I do apologize that we didn't move it far enough away from the fence to put it down, but it does operate. There is an awning on the back that is going to be installed. It is we're putting a new one on there, so it needed a new motor. That'll be installed for you. And again, access ladder moving along to the side. I don't see any visible damage on the outside. Looks pretty clean. The decals, there is some scraping, but that's pretty common when it is a used unit. Has a fuel fill station here. So there's where you fuel up. This is your little fuel station for your pump. And there's your main power source. Again, hydraulic jacks. And just moving alongside again, two slides on this side. And that's the outside for you. Hey, Mark, just going to show you the interior. This is the garage compartment or toy hauler storage area, side by side, quads, dirt bikes, what have you. It does have the bunks, so they do come down. It does drop into a bed, as you can see. It does have the railings for the outside patio set, the patio. And moving along to the kitchen here. Just above, there's another bunk up there, or I guess another bed, single bed. Nice cabinets. There is that little ding and a little scrape on the fridge there. That was noted in the pictures. Does come with the island. As talked about, these shades will be replaced. One was broken. Unfortunately, we couldn't find a replacement, so we're just looking at what we can do to replace them with something else that will suit that type of style, light fixture. Slide out. Infotainment system here. Lots of storage, as you can see. Very high ceilings. 3-burner stove with an oven. As you can see, microwave, hood fan. And we'll move upstairs to the bathroom. It only has one bathroom in here. It doesn't have two. It does have a solar charge controller. So there is a solar panel up on top. And here's the bedroom for you. Queen size mattress, wardrobe slide, lots of cupboard space, storage compartments underneath the bed, 2 end tables with storage. And yeah.